Welcome! We're doing another unboxing, this time with two Ericsson Cradlepoint LAN extension products. We'll show you why using these appliances as part of Ericsson's full-stack network solution for fixed sites makes it easy to expand the local area network. Specifically, today we're talking about the SW2400P LAN Switch and the AP2600 LAN Wi-Fi access point. First though, imagine this scenario. Your organization is using Ericsson Cradlepoint cellular routers for diverse WAN connectivity in small to medium-sized locations. However, your number of connected devices grows, and you reach a point where you need additional wired ports and Wi-Fi connections. If you need to support more clients via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, adding third-party switches or APs isn't the best option. This will complicate procurement and management. Instead, consider using the SW2400 LAN Switch and the AP2600 LAN Wi-Fi access point to simply extend your network. With these endpoints, which are designed to work exclusively with Ericsson Cradlepoint routers, you can manage all of your networking hardware through one management platform called Ericsson NetCloud. This single vendor relationship simplifies procurement, deployment, maintenance, and support. It's much easier than a multi-vendor approach. Now, let's look at the SW2400P LAN Switch. This device allows you to add more wired LAN connections without adding complexity. The specs? This appliance has 24 Gigabit Ethernet ports and 4 SFP Plus ports. It features 128 gigabit per second switching capacity and supports 64 VLANs. Now, for the AP2600 Wi-Fi access point, this AP extends Wi-Fi coverage to support more clients but without unnecessary complexity. This product has a 2x2 Wi-Fi 6, allows seamless roaming between Wi-Fi radios, and features SSID configuration with 4 SSIDs per radio. Again, adding these switches and APs to your Ericsson Cradlepoint routers is a great way to scale your LAN through one stack that you manage through one platform. Simple to deploy, simple to use, and it just works. Here's to thinking outside of the box.